How to use action blocks to simplify common tasks. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use action blocks to simplify common tasks. So now let's get started. First of all you need to do is install action blocks. Go to the Play Store on your device and search for action blocks and install it. After the app is installed, now it's time to set up action blocks. So now let's open the app first. Now when you are in the app, tap on Create Action Block. Now choose a task such as making a call, sending a text, opening an app, or playing music. Now customize the action by selecting the relevant details. Once the action block is saved, an icon representing the action will appear on your home screen. Now tap the action block icon to perform the assigned task quickly. This feature is especially useful for people with limited mobility as it reduces the steps needed to perform everyday tasks. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.